Failure of their candidate, they are blaming the BJP. So we do not want that.
The SSA teachers under the umbrella of the Meghalaya SSA School Association have informed the teachers to attend the general meeting to be held on September 21st at Riyad Samthia Community Hall to discuss the issues related to their salaries and regularization of their jobs. Speaking to the media today, the president of MSSASA, Aristotle Rimbai, said that these demands are to confirm the teachers as full-time teachers and to increase their salaries. Rimbai said that the leaders met with the state project director of SSA, Swapnil Tambe, on September 10th to discuss these two demands.
And during that meeting, he informed the association that he have received an instruction from the Commissioner and Secretary, Education Department, Government of Meghalaya, to put, for a time being, to put on hold